Today we're putting Avalon Armor Shield on the Tundra. First thing is to pre-wash the truck. Can't reach the top? I got a little help. If you need your car washed, leave a message in the comments. Now that's all clean, let's take the shampoo to dry it. This thing ain't lame. Now that the truck's dry, we made it alcohol wash. Alcohol on the truck, and my mom's gonna wrap it up behind me. Now that the alcohol's dried up, now it's time to repair the ceramic coating. I'm gonna let my parents do this. When using coating, use 10 to 12 drops and only do one panel at a time. First go side to side, then up and down. See, we're moving along nicely. Once you apply the coating, let it dry for 5 minutes and then buff off the extra. Now that's all hazy, now let's wipe it off. Now that we got the AvalonKing Armor Shield dry, we can keep this paint on for years to come.